Let's see. Okay, guys, we're back. We have a 1995 Ford Exploder, and we're changing a headlight bulb. This one's burned out right here. So we got these cute little covers. They'll just open up, and then right down here you'll see, if I can get my little hand down there, see the little ribs. That's going to be the screw-in piece that holds the light. So we're going to need to fish our hand down there. We're going to unscrew that. So let's see what we can see. So I'm turning it, if I'm looking down at it, counterclockwise. So we're going to pull it out. And then the whole light bulb should come out. Just like that. And we're going to do things. You'll see that we kind of got a clip on there, so you need to have to put you down to use both hands. We're going to pry this part up right here to separate it from the light. Yep, we got it separated. We got the new one here. Most highly debated topic on the internet. Do we touch the glass or do you not touch the glass? Well, I'm not going to touch the glass. I'm going to try not to touch the glass. But anyway, we're going to put it in our little holder guy here. This guy. Right there. Let's get it put in. Where did that go? Oh, let's try not to hit stop this time. So we got it put in. So it's going to go in like this. It has those little alignment tabs on there. So it'll only go in one way. And then we're going to screw this in. So this will screw in clockwise, if you're looking at it. Go down to our hole. Oh, where's my camera? There we go, maybe. Come on, focus. There we go. We're cooking with something here. Okay, so we got it in there. And now just turn it. Oh, perfect. You'll feel a positive click. We have our wiring. I know you can't see anything. There we go. That's better. See, we just got our wiring back on there. And that, my friends, should be job done. Now it's job done. Let's turn the headlights on, see if it works.
I hear the hallelujah chorus.
Oh! And with that, we have headlights. Now remember, if this one went out, this guy's not far behind. We got a 2-pack, so we're going to replace both of them. I'm not going to film this side because it's the same as this side. It's just right there instead of right there. Anyway, like and comment. I will leave a link in the description for the lights below. But anyway, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.